Are you tired of always getting over 200 ping on Fortnite? Are you tired of just having those shots that just should have hit not hitting? Well, if so, I have a solution for you. Introducing WT Fast, or What the Fast. Now, I will be showing you how this works, but overall, it's just a program that helps lower your ping greatly, especially on like Fortnite and certain games that you need like good ping for. First things first, go ahead and open your browser on whatever device you're on. So, for instance, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, go to Google and type in "What the Fast." Okay, now go ahead and click on this one right here. Now that you're on this website, it's going to say experience online gaming without lag, faster ping, smoother connection, start a free trial in 60 seconds, no credit card required. So now go ahead and hit the download button right here. Now it's going to bring you to this page. Now it should automatically start downloading. If not, just click here. And now go ahead and follow the steps to install this software. Now I've already done this, so I'm not including this in video, but just go ahead and install the software. Now once you installed it, go ahead and hit your Windows key and go ahead and type in "What the Fast," or WTFAST. Alright, so now that that is typed in, go ahead and hit "What the Fast." Alright, now this window opened for me, so I'm going to go ahead and hit my server. So for this tutorial, I will be using Fortnite, for example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Fortnite North America, because I live in North America. And I'm going to hit play. Oh, and now the window says, please launch a game waiting for new game session. So I'm not going to do this now in video because it's going to lag my editing software or recording software. But now if you were to go ahead and start a game, you would have very low ping, which is good. So, and your stats for your ping and stuff will take about 2 to 3 minutes to be displayed. So there you have it. That's how you can get better ping in like Fortnite or whatever game you want. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if you could go ahead and download this, I'd really appreciate it, because I do um, make a bit of money if you go ahead and use the link. So yeah, I'd appreciate it. All right, yeah. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.